care is what will be used for running the marathon. We are collecting money. All the proceeds that come from the registration are going to go towards supporting the improvement of select health centers. This year we are supporting 4 health centers. The health center here in Kawala, on the suburbs of the outskirts of Kampala, and Kisenyi, also here in Kampala, together with Kabong in the Karamoja sub-region and Kachumbala in the Teso sub-region. These proceeds will be used just like we've done recently. They're going to be used to equip or to improve the facilities, maternal health facilities in particular, for these health centers. We're hoping to collect close to 2 billion shillings. We hope, together with the support partners like Vision Group, that when put to good use, it will, improve maternal health, making sure that we have healthy mothers, that the risk of death or complications is reduced for both mothers and newborns. So the marathon is this Sunday, the 20th. Come rain or shine, we are running. We're going to be at Kololo.
We'll be taking part in the run this year, and Vision Group has contributed 150 million shillings worth of media spend to make sure we popularize the cause and invite people to take part in this so that MTN's dream will come true. We believe when we come together and bring our different competencies and competitive advantages with partners like MTN, with us being in the media, mobilizing the masses, and MTN from the technical side, we can do a lot more than each one of us standing alone. So for that reason, Vision Group is a part of this, and we are glad and excited to partner with MTN.
And this year, we are running for babies. To be clear, I am not talking about baby.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.